This is the Watch Grace. It's a beautiful ladies' watch with always-on display capability, AMOLED screen, Bluetooth calling, GPS built into this one for high accuracy tracking, lots of different information on the control panel, do not disturb, power savings, your overall brightness. It'll get up over 1,000 nits outside. That means it's super bright, easy to see, great flashlight. Need that at nighttime if you're walking around, you've got it. You got settings, everything inside of here. When you swipe up, notifications sent from your phone, and a quick swipe gives you the time, temperature, and most recently used apps. When you want to work out on your biometrics, you've got your activity here, your step count, calories burned, your hourly report on that, and your last 7 days. Last night's sleep time with a full chart is in this one as well. You got heart rate instantaneous, or slide up to see your 24-hour heart rate and the zones that you're in. Blood oxygen, similar. You got a reading that can take it with the red diode in this one. When you get down here, you have your last 7-day records. Stress, it's measuring that as well, and a 24-hour chart so you can track how you're doing on your overall stress level, percentages as well. Weather in your area or wherever you'd like. This is Shenzhen, China, where these watches are made. The current temperature, the forecast, all of that information's in here. And back to your opening watch face, which is easy to change just by tapping a button. You can slide through, see all kinds of different watch faces. Tap on the crown, get you into all of your different apps in here. Many of them you just saw already, but we've added a remote shutter for taking pictures, relaxation. AI voice is your Siri or Google assistants. Stopwatches, the world clocks in here, flashlights, games, settings, and more. It's really elegantly made. You have it in black or gold like this with a very nice thin lady style band that integrates and is quickly, easily removable. Well done job on this one. It's called the Watch Grace. Check it out.